Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this series I'm going to share with you my top payment and scheduling hacks to boost your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth, we work with you guys, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into this series. The next hack that I have for you, the third one on the list, is have a card machine with you to get tips on every job. Not only is a card machine a great idea for your floor cleaning business, since not everybody has cash on them, if you get one with a tip option, it's a great way to generate tips on almost every job. So there's a restaurant slash cafe by my apartment, and when you go there to pay by card, they bring you let's imagine they bring you the card machine, and then you put your card in, and the first thing that kind of comes up on the screen is, would you like to leave a tip? And it's like, press the yellow button for no, press the green button for yes. So you press yes, and then it'll ask you how much money you want to give as a tip, like $1, $5, $10, $15, whatever it is. So you punch that in, and then it will move on to the final screen, which will be the total amount. So like whatever the cost of the food was or the drinks were, plus the tip combined to give you the total amount, and then you punch in your PIN number and you pay. But the first thing that kind of comes up on the screen is this thing that says, would you like to leave a tip, yes or no? And then you can actually punch in that amount. And now I'm pretty sure that there are a few payment processors, a few card machines available now that do have that facility, so that you can kind of ask for tips or get tips via the card machine kind of on the job. And again, like I say, not everybody has cash on them, not only to pay, or they don't have any cash to give you like a cash tip, right? So like normally, maybe the job's been paid for in advance or something like that, and typically maybe someone doesn't have like a few bucks in their pocket to kind of give you a tip. Well, now it doesn't matter, because they can give you a tip via the card machine when they come to pay at the end or whatever with their bank card. Basically, this is a great way of getting tips, because now like if they don't have cash in their pocket, it doesn't matter, right? Because they can use their cards to give you a tip, number one. And number two, when you're stood next to them, right, like with the card machine, like you're the one holding the card machine like this, and they put the card in, and then you punch all the info in, and it comes up, would you like to leave a tip? And you're stood right there. Of course, they feel obliged to like click the yes button, right? Especially if, as I talked about in my other content and stuff, you've walked around, asked them if they're happy with everything, you've shown them all the work that they've done, and they've confirmed that they're really happy with everything, and you've done that whilst in the home. To then click the no button on the tip whilst you're stood right next to them, they're going to feel obliged to hit the yes button, right? So by having a card machine and leveraging that, you're going to have more people give you more tips, which means that you're going to make more money per job, right? Let's say 8 out of 10 people use the card machine to pay at the end of the job, and 8 out of those 10 people give you, an extra $5 or an extra couple of dollars tip. That could easily be an extra couple of $100 a week or whatever, depending on how many jobs that you've got. So that's my third hack: have a card machine with you, and that's really going to enable you to get tips on every single job. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and tune in to the next part of this series. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below, where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.